Is your pharmacy environment as clean as it should be? Pharmacy cleaning is crucial to maintain hygiene and ensure safety for all. In this video, we'll explore how eAuditor can streamline your cleaning inspections. The inspection ensures all pharmacy areas meet hygiene standards. It guarantees a safe environment for staff and customers. Medications are protected from contamination. Compliance with health and safety standards is maintained. eAuditor offers tools like checklists and photo evidence. The inspection covers 7 key areas of the pharmacy. Surface cleaning includes counters and high-touch areas. Floors are swept, mopped, or vacuumed. Medication, storage, and equipment cleanliness are checked. Waste management and air quality are also assessed. Load the inspection template in eAuditor. Ensure it covers surfaces, floors, and more. Inspect high-touch areas for cleanliness. Document areas needing recleaning with photos. Assign inspections to responsible personnel. Inspect medication storage for cleanliness. Verify equipment is clean and disinfected. Ensure waste bins are emptied and segregated. Check vents for dust and verify cleaning logs. Conduct a final review and collect digital sign-off. eAuditor enhances inspection accuracy and speed. Capture data in real time with photos. Convert cleaning gaps into tasks with deadlines. Generate reports with ratings and share digitally. Store reports securely for compliance tracking. Pharmacy cleaning inspections are vital for safety and compliance. eAuditor provides a structured approach with digital tools. Start your inspection today for a cleaner, safer pharmacy.